The Combat Sidestroke, the CSS, is actually somewhat challenging, so I'm going to walk you through some points of performance that I look for in the guys that I train. So here's an athlete in the pool. Let's start off with his form. So right off the bat, he's got good glide. You can see how he has nice flexibility. He can open up his shoulders. His touch point for his biceps is his ears, and he stacks his hands overhead. You want to lock your elbows out in that glide position. Now look at his kick. He coincides his scissor kick with his power glide forward, small flutters to keep his feet from dropping in the water. As he comes up to the side of the pool, you see him reach out with one hand, turn, flip, kick off the wall, and do a double arm pull deep enough where his body doesn't come up to the surface of the water too soon. One thing we can work on here is practicing both right and left side. He's swimming on his strong side right now. Main thing with the CSS is all about efficiency. You really want to become efficient in the water. So think about going as streamlined as possible, making it a smooth glide, reducing the amount of white water on the surface. Here's another athlete in the pool. Really good glide. You can see him tucking his chin. He's not looking upwards. He's not looking forwards. He's keeping his head neutral and has a really good glide. Here's another good side profile. And you can see when they come up for breath, they're only turning their head just enough to get some air in. Solid scissor kick, flutter kicks in between to make sure his feet don't drop. Nice, quick turn off the wall. Here's an underwater view of a double arm pull subsurface. He's deep enough to get the distance and goes right up in the glide. Let's see what it looks like. He's got scissor kick combined with a power glide forward, some small flutter kicks to keep his momentum and his feet from dropping. As he comes up to the wall, he's reaching out. His hand that reaches out is the one he's going to grab onto, then flip his feet under to do the push off the wall. Let's look at some points of performance in the slow motion. You can see him make his turn, take his breath in. Big thing with breathing subsurface, you want to look at this. Breathing out while you're under the water so that when your head comes to the surface, the only thing you're really doing is taking a breath in. If you're holding your breath and you're taking shallow breaths, you're not exhaling subsurface, then you're really going to become hypoxic. You're going to have CO2 byproduct that you need to let go of. So make sure you keep that open airway. Really good kick, subsurface. He has a nice glide. Hand reaches out, grabs that side of the pool. And then here is a video with fins. Now some people try to do a scissor with fins. It does not work. You want to do a constant flutter kick when you have fins on your feet for the long distance swims. This is one of those swims with fins. A side stroke is a little bit different here. Most of the biggest thing you can see is that his flutters are going to be constant.